Prince Charles says he lost his sense of smell and taste with coronavirus. Prince Charles suffered mild symptoms of COVID-19 in late March, while he said he feels lucky to have gotten away easy from the deadly disease. The Prince of Wales recently admitted that he's still feeling the effects of the coronavirus. The 80th Crown met with the workers of the Gloucestershire Royal Hospital on June the 16th, his first in-person engagement since the lockdown. He told the hospital staff of his COVID-19 experience and said that he lost his sense of smell and taste. According to a healthcare assistant, Prince Charles told them of his first-hand experience with the coronavirus and how he's still feeling a loss of smell and taste months after his recovery. The 80th Crown said that having coronavirus was an awful lot of a stress and strain. Health experts say that losing a sense of smell or taste are two key symptoms of the coronavirus. A significant number of patients who have had COVID-19 in China, South Korea and Italy reported developing insomnia and hyposmia. Much like the common cold virus, the novel COVID-19 also impacts the upper respiratory tract that leads to nose congestion. Experts say the patients with COVID-19 have high concentrations of the virus on the nose. When checked under a microscope, this virus appears to have hair-like receptor cells that affect how the nose can pick up scents and odors. The Prince of Wales was in coronavirus isolation for a week and stayed at one room in his home in Birkhall in Scotland. His wife Camilla, the Duchess of Cornwall, was in another room and was negative for the virus. However, like the rest of the UK, both royals remain isolated from the public for more than 3 months, leading Prince Charles to say that he misses hugging his grandchildren. He also said that he and the rest of the family keep in touch via video conference calls, but a hug and in-person meets are completely different. Prince Charles and Camilla will be conducting a few in-person engagements this week, including a meeting with President Emmanuel Macron of France. But since the threats of the virus are still present, the royals are being careful about the engagements and observing social distancing. As before the lockdown, Prince Charles once again did away with handshakes and everyone stood at least a few meters away from each other. However, the royals were not seen wearing masks when they made the surprise visit to the hospital.